Meet Edward. Edward is a nice guy. He has a happy life, a girlfriend, and a normal sex life. But one evening after work, he notices a couple strange bumps in his genital area. That's unusual, he thinks. He hops on the computer to do some research, only to discover he's been infected with genital warts. Oh no! Later that night, he goes to bed, hoping his warts will go away. His girlfriend gets into bed with him, giving him signs that, well, you know. Edward is confused. He doesn't want to infect his girlfriend with genital warts, but he can't tell her that he has them either, because he knows she'll probably break up with him. So he manages to fake a stomachache to convince her sex is out of the question and goes to sleep. In the morning, he wakes up and notices his warts are spreading. You see, Edward didn't know this at the time, but the longer you have genital warts between your legs, agitated by the friction caused from simply walking around, the more you increase the likelihood that your genital warts will spread. So he figures he should probably go see a doctor. But who wants to expose such a shameful secret to anyone, knowing they'll immediately be judged as someone with multiple sex partners who practices unsafe sex? He couldn't do it. With no one to talk to, he turns to the internet to find a cure. That's when he discovers the 5-day or less genital wart eradication system. He feels this is superior to other treatments for 3 reasons. It is written by a married couple who both, like Edward, suffered from genital warts. They explain how they permanently cured their warts from the privacy of their home. They provide real, clinical-style research proving this system works for both men and women. Their website contains raving testimonials from other genital wart sufferers who used this method to secretly cure their infections. So Edward downloads this 2-step system to his home computer after a quick trip to the grocery store and 3 days of treatment. His warts are completely gone. Edward is now happy. His girlfriend is happy. His sex life is better than ever. And, most importantly, no one knows his secret but him. If you suffer from genital warts, go ahead and download this quick, easy genital wart cure, proven to clear up your infections in 5 days or less, all from the privacy of your own home.
Click the link right below this video to get started. And remember, if you decide at any point within the 60 days that this isn't right for you, I'll send you a full refund, no problem. You'll just have my sincere thanks for at least giving it a try. So click the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.